Analytics and social media insights are not scary. If you disagree, let me change your mind. When I first began using social media to market my business, I typically posted things I wanted to post. Pictures of my dog, my morning coffee, the books I was reading, and my husband, who's also my high school sweetheart. But as I've gotten more experience with these really powerful platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all of the others, I have learned that in order for me to connect better with my ideal client, I needed to start paying attention to what followers wanted to see rather than what I wanted to post. And this completely changed the game for me. But I'm not trying to convince you that they're important. I'm trying to sell you on the idea that they aren't scary. So let's talk about that, shall we? Okay, so many times when we think about testing and tracking and analyzing our social media analytics, we instantly imagine unreadable spreadsheets and these huge pie charts and let me crunch some numbers. Oh, at least that's how I think of it, but it doesn't have to be that way. Social media analytics does not have to be so stuffy. Today, I want to give you a few beginner-level ways to start dipping your toes in the water of using basic metrics to create scroll-stopping content for your ideal customer. It's time to take control of your social media content and make sure that every post, reel, live video, or story that you capture really captures your audience's attention. Now, the easiest way to get started with keeping track of your analytics, kind of like a level 1 in tracking, is to simply start keeping track of your comments and likes on every post. Likes and comments are a great first indicator how your audience feels about the content you're creating. I recommend tracking these every month or so, and then you analyze the data to see what they like, and then you can create more of the highest performing content. And then every month, once you see patterns of the highest performing content, you rinse and repeat this process. So how can you tell what type of content your audience likes? Well, I've noticed a trend on social media. People typically like posts for visuals, and then they comment for the caption. For example, if you have a post that has lots of likes but not many comments, people liked the visual and the caption? Maybe not so much. If you have a caption with tons of comments and not many likes, your caption was probably resonating really well with your audience. They had a lot to say, but they didn't feel compelled to like the photo, reel, or video. But if you come across a post that had lots of likes and a lot of comments, that means they probably like both the visual and the comment. So, ding, 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 make more of that type of content. Now, you might be saying, Jasmine, I already keep track of my posts and which ones are getting the most likes and comments. I want to take analyzing my analytics to the next level. Okay, I will clap that up all day and twice on Sunday. If you're ready to dive into a level 2, a more advanced level of tracking, then keep watching. Now, what I'm about to teach you requires you to use Instagram Insights. To use Instagram Insights, you have to have a business profile or be running ads on Instagram to get this type of access. So if you're currently using a personal account, you may want to switch it up to a business profile to up your analytics game, or even possibly run small budget ads to view those insights. So for those of you who do have a business account, go to your profile and tap Insights right underneath your Instagram bio. Once there, tap Audience, and under the heading Your Audience, click on the amount of followers you have to see your audience demographics, including the average age of your followers, the top cities they live in, and statistics on your audience genders, including their most active times on Instagram by the hour of day and also by the day itself. Okay, so once you've combed through this data, you can use this information to further cater your content for them. You can choose to post at times of the day in which your followers are most likely to be active. You could speak your audience's language by making references to their age, gender, or city, and a lot more. But remember, whether you're on level 1 or level 2 of tracking your analytics, the only way you can measure what people are responding to is by staying consistent. Posting once a week isn't enough to test your content as much as possible, because the more posts you have, the more data you get. If you're ready to dive into analytics, leave a comment with the 100 emoji below. I'll be sure to determine whether or not you liked this video by what? The analytics. So hook a sister up, like it and leave a comment, and I'll be sure to connect with you there.